Class 11th, how are you? Hope doing well at your home, and always remember that follow the rules and regulations of COVID 19. Today we are going to study about lesson number second, the Olympic movement. The Olympic movement. Today we are going to study about the Olympic movement, chapter number second. Learning objectives are ancient and modern Olympic. We will compare here about ancient Olympic and modern Olympic. What were ancient games and modern games? Olympic symbols, ideas, objectives, and values. International Olympic Committee, Indian Olympic Association. What is the role of Indian Olympic Association? Dronacharya Awards, Arjuna Awards, and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. These are the awards given in our country for various coaches, various players of our various level players of our country. Organizational setup of CBSE Sports and Chacha Nehru Sports Award. So all these six headings we are going to study in detail in the chapter the Olympic movement. Six of the headings will be described in a vast manner. Ancient Olympic and modern Olympic Games. What is ancient Olympic Games? There is no authentic information or definite fact about the origin. In ancient, we are talking about an ancient that authentic information or definition fact about their origin. But there are various tales about the origin of these games. Tales or a story we had came to know about in ancient Greek stories. According to available information in history, the first ancient Olympic Games start in Olympia Valley in 776 BCE. We have to remember this date in Olympia 776 BCE. It believed that native of Olympia adored Zeus as their god. We are talking about an history of ancient Olympic Games. Once Zeus appeared on the ground of Olympia, owing to this fearful anger and land split. Then, specify Zeus, people constructed a magnificent temple in the valley to start traditional offering sacrifice. Later on, Hercules, the son of Zeus, started games and sports in the honor of his father. So there is a small gist about the ancient Olympic Games. We came to know about what is ancient Olympic game and how the games start, and there were certain rules and regulations of these games. Rule for competition. When the Olympic Games were organized in 776 BC, certain rules were framed from competitors of various sports competition, and what which were engraved on a bronze plate, that is written in a bronze plate. Nowadays we had seen engraved stone in front of our house gate, that is engraved a name and a person name. These rules are given as: first one, the competitor must be only Greek, completely from a Hellenic race, and must be physically fit. Second, savages and punished persons were not allowed to participate in these games. Slaves were not allowed, and criminals were not allowed to participate in these games. Stay in Olympia for 1 month before the beginning of Olympic. Women were not allowed to participate in competitions. For participating in games, participants had to practice for a 1 month. Only mature sports person could participate in the games and not the professionals. So these are the certain rules and regulations of ancient Olympic games. After rules, after rules and regulations, we have modern Olympic Games, and before that, we have ancient awards. Ancient modern Olympic awards were given. Less attention were paid to the awards in ancient Olympic Games. Only food grains and animals were given as a reward. After that, a crown made up of olive leaves were given to winner. More stress was laid on respect and honor. Instead of award to the players in these games, statues were also made of the winners. Poems were also composed in praise of winners. Participate in games, respect and honor, and not for the sake of award. So they are playing for respect and honor. They are given respect and honor. Modern Olympic Games. We had seen ancient Olympic Games, rules and regulations about ancient Olympic Games, rule and regulations, and award prizes. What prizes were given to them. Modern Olympic Games. The credit to start modern Olympic Games goes to Paris Brun de Coubertin of France. Coubertin was born in Paris on 1st January 1862. His family members wanted to wanted him to join the army, so he joined the Sainik Academy. But after some time, he left it and started studying political science. Having studied political science, he came to know about the national and international problems. National and international problems of modern Olympic Games. It was Coubertin's dream to restart ancient Olympic at world level. For this purpose, he had called the meeting of various countries in 1893. So, who was the to first person was Pierre de Coubertin. Italy, Greece, Spain, and Sweden were in favor of commencing these games, where rest of the countries opposed it. Against of 16 June 1894, a meeting of 13 countries held in Paris, which 75 representatives participated, it was presided over the Coubertin, and it was resolved the sports competition should be held every 4 years on the lines of Greek Olympic Games. So that is in this way the modern Olympic Games frame out, and there are, in beginning there were 13 countries. Later on, many countries added time to time, year by year. Olympic motto. Olympic motto. Olympic motto comprise three Latin words: Citus Altus Fortis, which means faster, higher, stronger, respectively. The motto was coined by a French educator, Father Tidon, in 1895. So, who designed these three words? Father Tidon in 1895. Now, about Olympic flag. This is very important. About Olympic flag. Olympic flag. Olympic flag was created in 1913 at suggestion of Baron de Coubertin. Was first solemnly inaugurated in Paris in June 1914. But it was hosted for the first time in Olympic Stadium at Edward Olympic Games, which were held in 1920. Here we can see five rings: one, two, three, four, five rings, and each ring have different colors. Circle in five color represented five continents of world. These are America, Europe, Australia, Asia, and America. The five rings have different colors: yellow, green, red, blue, and black. The interlock of rings, circle symbols cooperating and friendship. Olympic flame. The Olympic flame is a symbol of knowledge, life, and happiness. You had seen and observed in our school also. Olympic torch or Olympic flame is carried. Same, the flame or a torch is light or kindled in Olympic village of Greece and carried by the runner to the place where the Olympic Games are going to be organized. Olympic award. The first, second, and third positions holders are awarded with gold, silver, and bronze. As you know, gold, silver, and bronze are common, as you know all, and a certificate respectively. The next five position holders are also awarded with certificate only. Olympic oath. Olympic During the opening of Olympic Games, oath taking ceremony is held by athletes who assemble in a sports stadium. Where they assemble? They all assemble in sports stadium. And what is the oath? They take out right hand and swear. We swear that we will take part in Olympic Games in loyal competition, respecting the regulation which governs them with desire of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of the country and for glory of the sports. So this is the actual oath in modern Olympic game. We are talking here about the modern Olympic game, and what is written here? Participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of country and for the glory of sports. This is the oath. Rules for competition. We had rules in ancient Olympic game. Now we had rules in modern Olympic games also. All male and female can participate in Olympic Games. But in ancient Olympic Games, females are not allowed to participate. But nowadays, professionals are also allowed to participate. These sports persons are sent by the National Olympic Committee. No sports person can participate in games without the approval as well as recommendation of National Olympic Committee. We will later on uh, we will discuss about what is International Olympic Committee and what is the role of International Olympic Committee.